like a thief in the night, taking whatever I like.
Don't do what y'all supposed to do when this video go off or while it's on. You know that button, those buttons that y'all have, the little bell ding. We gonna come do this to your mama.
Guys, we're purpose driven here. We have a car show today at the Anaheim Garden Walk. We are partnering up with a couple of organizations throughout Orange County, and what it is, we're just providing some help for information and resources to the public. This is a free event to the public. Come out, watch some cool cars, enjoy the vendors. We have some tacos, get some cool car merch, and just support the organizations that are here. And we just look forward to hosting more events like this in the future. And come on and have a great time.
Visionary Foreign and Exotics, man.
All right, that's the it's the CEO of, man, the man do thousands of things. He got his own company, his own exotic fleet, and a YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Visionary Foreign and Exotics.
Labels and packaging, Visionary Foreign and Exotics, man. It's your boy, Frank Visionary. Stay put.
Yeah. That's what you saw.